Kia ora. Hi, we're the Social Change Agency. Welcome to our 6th video. Today we will be talking about
Service Week.
When is it?
Week 8, Monday the 30th of November.
till Friday the 4th of December.
Now we're going to hear from some year 8s at it last year.
Hi, I'm Sadie, and last year I washed cars for teachers.
Hi, I'm Seb, and last year I picked up rubbish from other people's houses.
Hi, I'm Kieran, and last year we cleaned all the devices through. Now to have a montage of photos from last year's service week.
In the darkest night, I saw your eyes. A sense of threat that I can't forget. I wanna know who you are. This is what I need to know. So take my hand and let our fears go. Take me to your jungle, where the rain is warm and the birds fly. Take me to your kingdom. Yeah, take me to the, take me to.
Hi, my name's Prachi.
I'm Leo.
I'm Zoya.
I'm Bella.
Let's recap about what we talked about in the video. Service Week. Service Week is on
Week 8, Monday the 30th of November till Friday the 4th of December.
We hope you'll get involved and continue these discussions in your classrooms.
Thank you for watching this video, and please check out the other ones on our channel.